Hey guys, Vinny's here today. So today I'm in the office, the new office. We've just put this baby up and it is, let me tell you, perfect. So here we are inside the office. We have tons of IKEA wear. Everything here is from IKEA. We went there with two vehicles, friggin' Chevy Suburban and a 2001 Chrysler Town & Country minivan. And we loaded those vehicles up with everything from IKEA. Starting off, we have this nice futon with these lovely cushions here for the holiday season, which are just beautiful. But going beyond this futon, like I said, everything's from IKEA. We have these little plexiglass boxes. Now these we bought, see the ugly sides in the back, but we bought the plexiglass, we bought the plexiglass from Home Depot. And we made those boxes. That's why they aren't perfect, but they're good enough. So going up here, we have this nice big old frame. You see, you're probably wondering why in the world would they do that? Just attach the light to the ceiling. But we didn't want to do that. This is a way for us to, when we built that frame, we were allowed to hide all the cords because there's like a channel of cords that route that way to those lights. Cords are hidden behind this, so it makes it look really clean. And also kind of, you know, the wood, we have the lamp that's wood, so they kind of match. So we wanted to keep it consistent. But anyways, coming over here, we have more of these Lego boxes just on display. And here we have, this is our chief editing station. Now what's neat about this is kind of like the control center, I guess you could say. When you press the little switch right here, everything turns off. That way at the end of the day, you know, you can shut it down. But I'm a big believer in Apple. MacBook Pro 2017. I just got this year, 2017, fully spec'd out, 15-inch, along with my iPhone 8. And then this is a Google Home. It was cheap, on sale, Black Friday. I go to Target. So we got those. And then these panels, I'm going to talk about those more in a minute. They're everywhere. But we got those panels off Amazon. Really nice, really cheap, really just beautiful things. So going here, this is also part of just the roundabout desk. We do all our work here. And here we have the first, this is like the doorway, but here we have 5 of these we bought from, of course, IKEA. So we have 5 of these big panels, and we thought that'd be fabulous. It took us 8 hours to assemble these. Everything else went up in like a snap of the fingers. So here we are. We have these shelves. 5 of them I meant. We have 4 of them here. And in between we put these panels in. And what these panels allow us to do is they allow us to, at the same time as, you know, making a wall, they allow us to keep keep some light, keep some, you know, visible, so it makes it look bigger in here when it really isn't. So we have some holiday decorations because during this holiday season you can't go without. But here we have a very long desk. I think this desk is 8 feet, 7¼ inch or something. I don't know what it is. But very long desk. And these are where we have our iPad and our Mac. And this is where we do like research and development and like planning. We get out our paper and we draw schematics up, even though we really don't follow those at all when we get out there building them. We reply to comments here. So anyways, going around here, we have the last thing, our emergency door. Now this, we've had to use once, and that's when someone farted. We had to immediately leave because let me tell you, don't have baked beans and then eat. So besides that any point, that's our conclusion. So if you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.